Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Sholazari and welcome back to Making Impossible. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you an amazing trick where you can completely vanish a coin from the palm of your hands right in front of your spectator's eyes, and just by using sleight of hand. That's the best part of this trick. So without any further ado, let's see the performance and then we're going to know how it's done. This week's Instagram feature goes to Mr. Indian Magician. Follow him on Instagram. Link will be given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue. Okay guys, this is what the coin vanish looks like. Now as you can see, I have this coin and I'm just going to take it and then I'm going to dust it off, and it actually vanishes right in front of your eyes. So as you can see that the coin is gone, and that's what the coin vanish looks like. Let's see how you can do it. Okay guys, this is how this trick is done. Now this trick involves two parts. The first one is a retention technique and the second one is the hand washing technique, where you're going to show both of your hands empty. So the first technique, the retention technique that I'm going to do or teach you today, is the thumb palming technique, and I've used this technique in my last video. I've also asked you in that video that if you need a tutorial for the thumb palming, because I didn't have one. So there was one comment who asked for this tutorial, and that's why I'm also making this tutorial. So I'm going to use thumb palming as the retention and then the hand washing technique. So at first I'm going to use the thumb palming, and for the thumb palming you're going to keep the coin right over here where I'm keeping the coin. So you're keeping the inside edge of the coin. This is the inside edge, this is the outside edge. Since this side is facing the outside of the hand, this is the outside edge and this is the inside edge. So you're going to keep the inside edge on the second line of your index finger. So this is the first one, this is the second one. This inside edge should be on the second line. And if you keep any size coin on this inside edge with the inside edge on the second line, then you can actually do this retention technique with any sized coin, because I've found it suitable. You might not, but this is what I think the best point for starting off the thumb palming. So at first you're going to keep the coin right over here, and then while you're going to throw this coin into this hand, you're going to fold your hand, you're going to fold your fingers, and then you're going to throw it just like this. It looks normal, right? So you're going to do the same thing, but you're not actually going to throw this coin. Instead of that, you're folding your hand, the coin comes over here, you're clipping the coin with your thumb, and you're pretending to throw the coin into this hand, and you're closing this fist. So at this point the spectators will think that the coin is here, but the coin will be still palmed right over here. So one more time in full speed, it should look somewhat like this. So it should be very natural. The closing of your hand and the throwing of the coin should be at very simultaneous moments, because if you close your hand at first and then throw the coin just like that, it won't look natural, and if you close your hand later on after throwing the coin, it won't look natural. So you have to do this at the same time. So you have to practice this move, and as you do that, the spectators are going to think that the coin is in this hand, but the coin is actually in this hand. So that's how you're going to do the thumb palming. That's how the retention technique works. Now the hand washing technique will make both the hands look empty. And how you're going to do that? You're going to start by dusting off this hand, and you're going to open up this hand and dust it off just like that. You're going to just rub your hands together, make it look like that you're dusting your hands off. So what is happening, you're keeping the coin here and you're still doing this movement, and then when you're going to show this hand empty, what you're doing is you're coming over here, you're moving this hand up and you're moving this hand forward, and as you do that, the coin, as it comes over here, you're dropping the coin, and from the front it is not visible. So for that reason, when you come over here, you drop the coin and you bring your hand right over here, and then you show both the sides of the hand, right? And then while going back, what you're doing is you're coming over here, and as this part of the palm reaches the coin, what you're doing is you're turning your hand just like that, so that the coin falls from this hand to this hand, and then you're actually palming it just like that using the muscles of your hand. You're just palming it naturally, and then you're just showing this hand empty, and then you're dusting it off again, and then you're dropping your hands by the side of your body, so that your spectator doesn't think that the coin is still in your hands. Now that's how the coin vanish is actually achieved. That's how visually you vanish the coin completely from the spectator. So in full speed it should look somewhat like this. At first, the retention technique, where you're going to just do the thumb palming with the coin, and then while dusting it off, while you're coming over here, you're dropping the coin right over here, and then after showing the hands, you're coming over here. As the coin touches this palm, you're turning the hand just like that, and then you're sliding this hand forward and showing this hand empty. And that's how you show both the hands empty and drop the hands by the side of your body. And that's how you vanish the coin from your spectator's point of view. And to bring it back, you can also use a pen. You can keep this pen in your pocket, and you're going to have this coin right over here in this palm. So when you drop the hands by the side of your body, you can slip this coin from this position to this position, so that it's easy for you to palm this coin, because finger palming is better than muscle palming. Finger palming is more natural. So you can just drop this coin from this part to this part. After you have done the vanishing and the hand washing, you can drop the coin from this part to this part while you drop your hands by the side of your body. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to take out the pen from your pocket, and then you're going to hold the pen cap with the hand that you have actually palmed the coin, and then open the cap with the hand that you have actually palmed the coin. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to make it look like that the coin is coming out from the pen cap. So you're going to give this pen cap a jerking motion like that, and as you do it, you're going to release the coin, and it would look like that the coin has come out from the pen cap. And that's how you can also bring back the coin right in front of your spectator. That's how you can cleanly vanish the coin and cleanly again bring it back without your spectator knowing what you actually did, without your spectator knowing the secret of the coin vanish. So that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shwelazari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is Savage channel. I post entertaining videos and gameplays over there, and the link to the channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!